Good morning, guys! Nandito ako sa aking filming setup. Kasi I'm reviewing this foundation. Ito, Etude House Double Lasting Foundation. And din ako, mag-voice over ako. Kaya I'm here. Kaya there's no lights. Kasi that's what I do. I-voice over ko siya para i-on ko yung camera. Tapos kapag in-edit ko na siya, kunin ko lang yung video. Yung audio lang yung ititira ko. Yung gagamitin ko. And ganun yung aking voiceover. And last time na nag-voiceover ako, doon ako nag-voiceover yung, I think, makeup tutorial yun. No, not makeup tutorial. Makeup look. Doon ako nag-voiceover sa dining. And sobrang echoey. So, dito na lang ako mag-voiceover. Yung i-voiceover ko is ang aking DIY. I'm so excited. Guys, lamin ako ano pa yung ibang DIY na gusto niyo makita. The DIY na I did, I'm so happy with the results. Like, I'm so happy na nakikita ko talaga yung sarili ko na isusuot ko talaga tong mga to. Nakakaloka. Because, you know, if you watch my videos, because, you know, I like shirts. I like simple shirts. Anyway, this is not a shirt. It's a romper na hindi ko na tie kasi I'm gonna be wearing a different top mamaya sa intro ng aking DIY. Anyway, mag-voiceover lang ako. Bye. Guys! I got the package from Aerie. Aerie American Eagle. Guys, alam nyo ba na sobrang nahihirapan ako maghanap ng mga panty. Ito, binili ko to ha. My own money. Because that's where I shop my, you know, undergarments. And nakakaloka kasi, parang finace out na nila yung XXS. Yun yung size na binibili ko. And sa kanila lang ako nakahanap ng may size na XXS. And you guys, the last time I checked, naka-clearance lahat. As in lahat ng mga panty nila na XXS. Kasi I'm pretty sure they're getting rid of the size. And I got a lot kasi hindi ko alam kung do you guys know an online shop nagbebenta ng ganun kaliit, XXS? Nakakaloka pag tingin ko talaga, wow. Kasi naghahanap ako ng blue, something blue. Kasi sa wedding, parang sa Australia kasi meron silang you need to wear something old, something new, something blue, something borrowed. Apat. And meron na ako something borrowed. Actually, wala pa. I think yung sister-in-law na dan, papahiraman niya ako ng bracelet. If mag-fit siya sa akin, then yun yung susuotin ko. If not, then maybe ipapahiram niya sa akin yung earrings niya na ginamit niya sa wedding niya din. Something old, susuotin ko yung sing-sing na binigay sa akin ng mama ko. Something new, like my whole wedding gown, my shoes. Ang dami kong something new, so that's not a problem at all. Something blue, wala ako. And sabi nung kambal na Dan, yung sinuot niya daw is like blue na knickers, panty. And sabi ko, oh, that's a good idea. And wala akong blue. For some reason, wala akong blue. Well, meron, pero like hindi siya pang, you know, pang wedding. So, hindi siya sexy enough, you know. So, tinignan ko sa Aerie kasi doon nga ako bumibili ng mga panty ko. And I didn't feel the need to look before kasi meron pa naman ako. Like, okay na okay pa naman yung mga, you know, panty ko na binili ko sa kanila. So, I looked and sinearch ko agad yung extra small. Wala na sila, guys. Extra small na lang yung natara. Luckily, pumunta ako sa clearance section and doon ko nakita lahat ng extra small naka-clearance. From, ito. For example, this one. $7.50. It was only $3. $7.50 US ha. Siguro mga $3-4 na lang siya Australian dollars. So I went crazy, guys. Nag-add ako sa cart lahat ng extra small na nakita ko. In-add ko sa cart kahit nag-tsaka siya. Tingnan, in-add ko kasi sabi ko, wala na akong panty. Like, iniisip ko, kung maubos na yung mga panty ko, sana ko bibili ng panty. Nakakaloka talaga yung topic na to, panty talaga. Pero, yan yung nangyari. So, I decided to order a lot. Like, in-add ko sa cart lahat. And luckily, meron silang free shipping kapag you reach $100 USD. So, that's around $130 Australian. And so, I was like, I didn't care. I didn't care kasi sabi ko, saan ako bibili? So, like, you know, ano ko na lang siya. Bibilhin ko na lahat. And in-add ko siya. And you guys, siguro mga 14 panty na yung nandun. Nakakaloka pag check out ko, hindi pala pwede na more than 20 pieces yung bibilhin mo kapag international order. Sabi ko, more than 20 pieces. Kahit na ilan pang pieces ng panty yung i-order ko, like, you know, mag-fit sila sa sa bag na maliit. Kasi panty lang naman siya. It's like a freaking piece of fabric. Pero hindi. Dapat daw, hindi more than 20. So, I was like, dang. So, bumili na lang ako ng 2 bra. Actually, wala pa lahat ng orders ko. Ito lang yung first half. Bumili na lang ako ng bra para ma-add yung price. Kasi yung brand nila mahal eh. $30 ata yung brand nila Australian. And meron mga 60. So, nag-add na lang ako. Kasi yung panty, ang mumura lang, guys. Aerie.com. Actually, siya? American Eagle. A AE.com. Na-discover ko sila kasi yung previous company ko, binigyan ako ng American Eagle na gift card. I rarely visit their website kasi ang mamahal ng mga ano nila. Pero nakita ko doon yung Aerie and meron silang XXS. So, doon ako nagsha-shop talaga ng mga panty nung nasa US ako. And hanggang ngayon, and I'm so happy na actually, recently lang yung free shipping nila or as far as I know, recently lang. Pero guys, yun, ang dami kong in-order. Meron pa akong hinihintay na mga panty. Nakakaloka talaga itong topic na to, panty talaga. Pero if maliit kayo gaya ko, na nahihirapan, as in, wala akong mahanap na kasya sa akin dito sa Australia. Wala. Nagpunta kami ni Dan sa Meijer and it was embarrassing. This is a story time video. It was kind of embarrassing kasi sabi ko, meron ba kayong petite section sa mga lingerie? And wala. Kasi nga, di ba, hinahanap ko yung blue na panty. And as in, nagsalo-salo. Parang pumunta talaga sa kung nasan ako yung parang 5 sales lady na parang nagtatanong-tanong sila sa isa't isa. Wala ba tayo? Wala tayo, no? Wala tayo. Yung anong pinakamaliit lang, small, ganun-ganun, and small. Laki ng small, nakakaloka. Meron iba extra small, ang laki pa rin. Tapos parang ako na yung naging center of attention kasi sinabi, ang hirap siguro, no? Like, nakatingin sila sa akin, lahat nakatingin, nakaganon. Parang sabi ko, tanong ko lang naman kung meron, kung wala, edi wala. Nakakahiya na. Parang, spread mo na sa world na yan yung size ko, nakakaloka. Meron sa teens, meron silang mga panty. Meron sa teen section, doon ako nagsha-shop ng mga clothes, diba? Meron sila, pero tsakay mo panty nila, guys. Parang, alam mo yun, parang scrunchy na, basta, alam mo yun, mga panty ng teens, hindi naman yung hinahanap ko. Like, you know, sa Aerie, nakakahanap ako ng thong na, yun, kasya sa akin. And never na ako makakahanap ng thong na kasya sa akin. Kasi even cotton on, na merong extra small, still way too big sa akin. So, siguro ako lang yung bumibili na extra small. That's why they're getting rid of the brand or they're getting rid of the size kasi walang ibang bumibili. Nakakaloka. See? XXS. Hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo yung panty talaga. Pero like this guys, oh, sobrang sexy niya. Wala akong mahanap na ganito na ka-size ko sa kung saan-saan. Sa Aerie lang talaga. See? XXS. Ay, nako. As in, nung nalaman ko talaga na wala sila nung size ko, medyo nag-ano ng aking mundo. Charmat, may gano'n. OA din. Anyway, mag-i-edit na ako ng video, guys. I-edit ko yung aking DIY. I'll vlog. Hi, guys. Magluluto ako ng chop suey. Dito naka-ready na yung aking mga ingredients. So, chicken, cauliflower, cabbage, capsicums, snow peas. Hindi ko siya maturo, but somewhere there's snow peas. And then, yung ano ko, garlic ko, ano na, nakasotay na. And then, after that, whoo, smells good, babe. And then after that, onion and then chicken. Looking really good. Sobrang tagal ko na hindi nakakain ng chop suey. And first time ko magluto ng chop suey. Malapit na siya not really malapit. Pero siguro yung last step na lang is ilagay yung cornstarch na may tubig. Hindi to cornstarch kasi hindi kami nakahanap ng cornstarch. Walang cornstarch sa Coles. So ano lang siya, flour na inano ko na sa tubig. So ilalagay ko yun mamaya kapag luto na talaga yung mga vegetables. So tayin ko lang na maluto yan. It's ready! It's so good. Do you like it, mister? No. Oh, shut up. Kain tayo! Silaw ng araw. Ang aga-aga pa. What time is it, babe? Oh my gosh, it's not even 6:30. 6:27 pa lang, guys. Kumakain na kami. Hindi na kami gumagamit ng table. Do you like it?
I do, yeah, it's really good.
Bot. Yum. Guys, we're going to Melbourne. We're going to Melbourne. We'll stay there for 2 nights. So, Saturday at saka Sunday. Aalis kami ng Saturday ng umaga. We plan, before this whole Melbourne-ish, nagplano kami na magsha-shopping kami sa weekend kasi kailangan kong bumili ng mga clothes para sa work. And it's gonna be a long weekend kasi holiday sa Monday. Kaya Tuesday yung start ng training ko kasi holiday sa Monday. And yun, pupunta kami ng Melbourne. We'll just drive there. 8 hours, babe? Yeah, it's an 8-hour drive. We're booked!
Yeah, we're booked.
Yes, it's happening. Can I announce it on Instagram?
If you want. You can. Don't worry.
Yeah? Yeah, I think I have few viewers from Melbourne. That's great. We're going to Melbourne. This is so unexpected. It's crazy. You have an email or something. Your phone vibrated. Cool! 2 nights in Melbourne. Right. Hello! Pupunta kami ng Kmart. Kasi pupunta kami ng Melbourne. Pupunta ng Kmart kasi pupunta ng Melbourne. Babe! I just want to make sure na 13 inches at talaga yung lapi ko. Babe, my lapi is 13 inches, right?
Yeah.
Yun lang yung bibilhin namin.
Got that bag on the floor there?
Yes, sir. Yun lang yung bibilhin namin, yung lapi case. Kasi we will be traveling. We're here! Kmart again! Were we here last night? The other night. The other night. Tingnan nyo to guys. $1.50 na lang.
This is $5 at the other Kmart.
I know! Nagpunta kami ng Kmart yesterday and hindi ako nag-vlog. But yeah, naghanap kami ng ganito. $1.50 lang dito. Nakakaloka. Can you help me choose? Or this one is just better, huh? This color?
They're all the same, aren't they? This
Not
is the
all the
colours.
same.
This one and that
Yeah,
one.
that or this.
Up to you.
Okay, get this one. Can you please check that for me, babe, if
Sorry?
it's alright? $1.50? Haha, why not? Hello, there's more at the back, babe. Let's check. Oh gosh, look at that. Hala. Oh, $8. So that's not on clearance. Okay. I get that one.
This is a bit dodgy, but
I'm not gonna use that. I don't like using that. So I'm just gonna open it and then drink it from there. Yeah? Ito din, $1 lang. Tingnan nyo. Lunchbox, $1. I'll get that. What are you doing, babe? The other one's not good enough? How about this one? That one's at the back. Like,
no, this one's alright.
okay. Let's go. Tingnan nyo, guys. This is cute. This is only $8. Sa typo, ang mahal-mahal nito, $40. I think I will get this. Kasi mas cute siya.
That's the last one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the last one. It's
Okay,
only
let's
$8.
get
Let's get that?
Yep.
This is $15. It has a bag. Do I really need that or no?
No, I don't need that.
Okay. That's it.
Welcome. Please scan your first item. Please, if you have a Flybuys card,
Hello, babe. My Flybuys. Can you get it?
now.
Hello, babe. Uy.
Please place item in the bagging area.
Can you help me?
Your Flybuys card has been accepted. Thank you.
Anuhan nila ng hangin yung ano niya, wheels. Para sa Melbourne. Nag-live pala ako kanina sa sa Instagram. Parang in-announce ko na pupunta kami ng Melbourne. Magpo-post sana ako sa Facebook or sa Instagram. Kaya lang do you know like the number, babe?
What number?
For your wheel. They have like numbers, right?
For what?
For your wheel, like 35 or 30 wheel tire. What the heck, wheel? It's a freaking tire. Sinet ni Dan ng 33. Parang 33 ata yung sa harap. Tapos sa likod, iba naman. 32. 32. Dan. Ay, may signal pala. Sorry?
The tires are pretty good.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they did that. Yeah. The same, babe? 33? Yeah. Oh, really?
No. What is it? What is it?
It's 32 now. Is this free, babe? Oh, cool. Well, free din naman sa Pilipinas. Kaya lang, parang kailangan mo magpa-gas sa station. Before, hindi ko alam. Parang ganun yun eh, diba? Nagpapagas ka bago ka nila bigyan ng free na hangin. That's good. That's easy.
Yeah.
I was expecting it's gonna be hard. We're home. Do you want a smoothie?
Sure.
Yeah? Ito yung binili ko instead of yung $1 lang kasi mas gusto ko siya glass and it's only $5 guys. Glass siya, tapos meron siya nito para kapag malamig yung iinumin mo, parang wala siyang, you know, alam mo yun, yung nagsisweat sa labas, tapos nagiging basa. So ito, parang maano niya yung ano. And then, ito yung binili ko, laptop sleeve. Ganyan. It's cute, huh? Is that what I got? That's it? Only 2? Oh yeah, I was gonna get the lunchbox, but I ended up returning it. Oh well, gusto na Dan mag-smoothie! Guys, binili namin to kahapon. Nagpunta kami sa, actually, T3 Plaza. And we did a bit of shopping. I didn't vlog yesterday because I wasn't expecting na pupunta kami. Tinawagan na ako ni Dan mga 30 minutes before siya umuwi. Sabi niya gusto mo pumunta ng mall. Sabi ko, yes! Nagpunta kami ng mall. And we got this Contempo na ano siya. Meron siyang dalawang tumbler na kasama na pwede mo na siyang pang to go. So, meron ng dalawa. Tinry na namin siya kagabi. And then this morning, nag-prepare ako ng smoothie para kay Dan. Yun yung binaon niya instead of coffee. And then, I will make one tonight. It's actually really good. And it's only, not really good, but so far so good. It's only $29. So, meron kami na to mixed berries. Most berries na nandito, raspberry. And then, lalagyan namin siya ng milk. Tapos, spinach, kasi spinach is very healthy. Tapos, you don't even taste it. So, it's good, especially sa smoothie. And then, maglalagay din ako ng banana. Meron kaming, ito lahat, except sa milk, binili namin kahapon. Like, pagbili namin nung Contempo, binili namin to sa Kohl's. Sa Big W namin yung nabili yung ano ba tawag dito? Smoothie maker? What do you call that thing, babe? The blender? Just blender? Blender to go something. Okay, so yun. Tapos lalagyan ko siya ng ice. Magsusmoothie sana ako kanina eh. Yun yung plano ko. Kaya lang guys, sobrang na-busy ako. Naglinis ako ng bahay. Nag-film ako ng 2 videos. And ito, pangatlo, yung vlog. And then nag-edit ako ng video. Yung DIY na video. Wait, I will need to wash my hands. I'll wash my hands. And then bukas, maglo-laundry ako. And magpe-prepare para sa Melbourne. As in, sobrang biglaan, nakakaloka si Dan. Tapos parang last weekend ko na walang trabaho. So, you know, it's a great weekend. Nag-order ako ng ng tripod galing sa GearBest para ka-level ko na kayo. Kasi naka-ano kayo sa akin, nakaganon kayo sa akin eh. See, sobrang daming raspberries. And then, maglalagay din ako ng spinach. Tapos ice. And then milk. Yun lang guys, walang sugar. So, all natural siya. Tapos matamis na siya. Masarap na siya. Nagustuhan ni Dan actually. Hello babe! We can bring this to Melbourne. Right?
Not really.
Why not? I mean, just the 2 smoothies. Not the whole thing. Just when we're traveling, babe. It's an 8-hour drive.
I'll probably have brave coffee.
Oh, yeah. Well, we can always get coffee on the way, right? Yung plano ko is magbaon ako ng ganito sa trabaho. And yung gagawin ko is isa-separate ko na siya. Ilalagay ko siya sa, like, you know, maliit na bag. Yung spinach, yung raspberry, or yung berries. Para diretso na lang siya. Kinabukasan, ilalagay ko na lang siya dito. Tapos blend. Siguro mas madali. Mas, you know, mas madali siya kaysa sa, like, you know, pakuha-kuha pa isa-isa every time. Ito yung may ganito. Tapos meron siyang lid na kasama, of course, na gagamitin mo mamaya. Okay, let's do this. Tapos, sobrang bilis lang, guys. Tatanggalin mo lang to, tapos papalitan mo siya ng lid niya. And then, ito na. Diba? Ang dali lang. It's good, babe.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, you're right. Every night with a gorgeous man. But I will close the vlog, babe. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I'm a panda tonight. Did you notice that I'm a panda tonight? Last night I was a monkey. Gusto ko na ubusin lahat ng animal mask ko. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. We'll go to Melbourne tomorrow. No, Saturday morning. See you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Nagpapak na si Dan. Excited much, babe?